Hi everyone, it's Ed at RU Cars. This is our 2015 Skoda Octavia. It's a 2 litre TSI DSG model, finished in race blue. 65,000 miles on the vehicle, 7 services, and a very, very nice spec. It's got the full black pack, so you've got the black mirrors, grills, headlights, etc. Rides on the 19-inch extreme alloys, which are a factory fitted option. It's got the privacy glass, parking sensors, big screen navigation, I think it's called Columbus. Winter pack. It's absolutely stunning. Really, really, really nice car. 6 of the services with it are all from Skoda, the last being independent. We've just fitted 2 new Kumo tyres on the front, as you can see there. Proper nice bit of kit. It's got the front driver assist, so a little camera up there and helps you with collision warnings and things like that. I'll show you in the boot. Good sized boot on the Octavia. Just see if I've got a spare for you. Yeah, got a space saver and all the toolkit and locking wheel keys there. Split folding rear seats. And as you can see, your load cover is present. Inside, this one's got the full black leather with the red stitch and the red highlights there. That is another optional upgrade from factory. Got rear electric windows, all very clean. Obviously, you've got the Isofix and the centre armrest. In the front, you've got the VRS steering wheel, again, with the red stitching. Very nice car. All electric windows, etc. Auto lights, wipers, cruise control, all as standard. Heated seats, heated windscreen, which is part of the winter pack. Auxiliary input, USB inputs, VRS mode, you start, stop. All very, very clean and tidy. Paddle shift as well. Ooh, nearly dropped the camera then, sorry guys. Front assist. And I will just start the car so you can see there's no warning lights and see what the mileage is. So do a service, which is being carried out as part of the sale, all included within the price. 0 fuel, there's a surprise. But yeah, mileage 65922. There are no warnings other than the fuel light. As you just see, the engine light came on and went out as it should. Over here we've got your radio. I think it's got DAB. Let's just check. Yeah, we've got DAB. You're lucky to get a signal in here. Oh, there we are. Good aerial on it. Struggle for signal down here. Bit of Bluetooth. Phone. Your navigation. All big screen as well. Now your apps, I think, is if you've got your phone plugged in. And then all your car settings, etc. in there. As I've mentioned, you've got your heated seats, heated windscreen, it's all working. And that really is it. A really nice spec'd one. A lot of these are a bit basic, but this one is not. If you would like to arrange a viewing and a test drive, give us a call. 01509 267 111. Thanks for watching.